Alright, so it's been a couple of hours. I'm gonna put that there. Anyways, yeah, it's been a couple of hours. I'm currently rendering a YouTube video. We're gonna move the mouse aside because we don't need it right now because we're focusing on the HP. So, yeah, while this is rendering, I figured we could do this. I have this USB flash drive which currently has the Windows 10 ISO. You might be wondering, where's the other USB flash drive, Rootwick? Well, guess what? That one is probably cooked. Why? I honestly can't get it to work. So that could basically be the end of the USB flash drive. And if it is, I'm making a rest in peace video for that flash drive. Yeah, it's gonna be like an entire funeral or whatever. I don't even know. Anyways, hopefully it'll work tomorrow when I use Linux to try to fix it. But for today, we're going to be plugging this flash drive into this HP laptop. I also don't know what key is for the BIOS and stuff, so we're gonna have to figure that out. Flash drive is plugged in. I'm gonna get this laptop opened up and I'm going to power it off, and then we can get this thing done. So yeah, let's do that. So this thing is taking forever to turn on. So yeah, that's just insane. But hey, at least we're 63% done in the rendering. Yeah, okay, I'll shut down the computer. It finally turned on. Oh, there we go. It shut down. I thought it didn't. Okay, we gotta wait for this light to turn off. We gotta wait for the light to turn off right there. And the hard drive's still spinning. There we go, the hard drive turned off. But the computer is still on. And the indicator lights are still on. As you can see there. Now they're blinking. Oh, they're turned off. Okay, so now it's off. So now we're gonna boot into the BIOS. I'm hoping that the FN key will do it. What? It's not even, it didn't even turn on. It didn't even turn on. What the hell is going on? Oh, here we go. You have to press and hold it. F2, F2, F2. Please be F2. Like, no! Okay, so if you press F2 and you press escape. Well, no, I'm pretty sure you have to press F1. So, you have to press F1 for this. So, you get system information. So, we're going to just press system information. Oh, here we go. Okay, so we have 8 gigs of RAM, Intel Core i3's 2350M CPU. It's the HP Pavilion G6 notebook PC. That's nice. And yeah, that's basically it. I wonder if there's like a boot menu. Can we have a boot menu? Where's the boot thing? Okay. Let's press F9. No, it's booting back into Windows. Okay, we're gonna press F9. I'm hoping, ooh, yes. Look, we got an actual BIOS. Please, why is the keyboard not working? Exit saving, there's no changes. Okay, so there's the time, there's the day, HP Pavilion G6, whatever. This is a I don't even know what that is. But we can go into system configuration, virtualization technology. Can we enable this? Enabled. Action key mode. I don't even know. Boot options. Oh, here we go. So I want to boot order USB disk. What? Is there a USB boot one here or what? USB CD-ROM drive. So the USB CD-ROM is first. Then we got internal CD-ROM drive, notebook hard drive, USB diskette, and so CD-ROM boot is enabled. Floppy boot is disabled. Internal network adapter boot is disabled. Is there like I don't know, like boot options? Let's get out of that. Well, I want to enable USB boot. Primary hard disk, administrator password. No, there's nothing else. Exit saving changes. Let's just hope it boots off of the USB drive, or else that's not good. So I don't know. Now it's showing press escape for the startup menu. Okay, can this like boot off of the disk or something? Like, please boot off the disk. I'm in the USB. We're just at a blinking prompt. I'm very concerned. Okay, so we have this. I don't know what this is. Please let this be the USB drive, because I hope it's the USB drive. Like, just please. I'll be back when something interesting happens. Okay, so we're gonna boot back into that startup menu, and we're going to press F10 for the BIOS setup. This is F10 for the BIOS setup. And okay, we're in the BIOS now. So we're going to go to system configuration, boot options. We gotta make CD-ROM boot enabled, floppy boot. We gotta go into boot order. So boot order. And what it is, it's actually this USB hard disk. I don't know how I didn't see that, but yeah, we gotta press F5. What? How do we? Okay, so up, going up. Okay, so it's F6 then, right? Yes, F6. Okay, here it is. We're going to make that the top. And then we're going to escape. Then we're going to, my God, why is it not boot op? That's the boot options. Escape again. Oh, okay. We're going to exit saving changes. And now it should boot off of the USB. And moment of truth. Press any key to boot from USB. What? What on earth just happened? It was booting off of the USB. No, what happened? Now it's just showing this. Well, I don't know if that's a bad thing or a good thing. I'm just gonna assume it's a bad thing. But, yeah, it's not booting. Okay, it just went to this. I don't know if this is the correct thing or not. I hope it is. And I hope it doesn't hit us with the updating Windows, because that's what it was on. I'll be right back, so yeah. Oh my gosh, it booted into the installer. Yes, that was correct. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to, language to install. Time and currency. You're going to make it English. Oh my God, I don't care at this point. Whatever, let's just keep it at English because I don't have a mouse connected to this computer. Next. Install now. Setup is starting. Let's go. Oh yeah, sorry for the screen doing this weird thing. I don't know how to fix that. Nope, still does it. Oh wow, that's definitely gonna not fix it. Yeah, I don't know what the thing is about. So I don't really know my product key. I'm going to go put in the Windows 7 product key and hope that it works. So I'll be right back. Okay, so that product key actually worked. So that's nice. So we'll have an activated version of Windows. So we're going to accept these license terms. And we're going to click next. We're going to do a custom install of Windows. And yeah, we're going to get rid of like these partitions, you know, because they're split over here. So we're going to delete this partition. Okay. We're going to delete this partition. and we're going to delete this partition. So it looks like this is a 300 gig drive. No, 400. This is a 500 gig drive. Okay, so that's a 500 gigabyte drive. We're gonna leave that because that's a system drive. We're gonna install it here. So we're gonna click next, and we're installing Windows. So that's good. So yeah, I'm gonna be back once it's in the out-of-box experience or when something interesting happens. Actually, it'll more likely be whenever the computer restarts. So yeah, I'll be back once it restarts. Alright guys, so the Windows ME setup is actually wait, what? What do you mean Windows ME? I meant the Windows 10 setup is continuing. Getting ready. Yeah, but yeah, we have Windows ME installing on modern no, I'm joking. We're installing a beta build of Windows ME. This is a Windows ME beta build, obviously. I'm pretty sure the out-of-box experience looks a bit different. Anyways, yeah, I think either the out-of-box experience or the setup got different. But the setup looks like the actual final Windows ME setup. So yeah, I'm gonna be back after that's done and we go into that out-of-box experience. So yeah, it blue screened. Great. Okay, so it's restarting. We're not in the out-of-box experience yet. There's a really loud fan on. Anyways, I think it's gonna boot into the out-of-box experience now. I don't know if I should unplug the flash drive or not, but yeah, I'll be back once it actually boots into the OOBE. So yeah. Okay, we're now on a blue screen that just says just a moment. Oh, by the way, it's probably not 1080p because, you know, it's a laptop from 2010 or something. Okay, just a moment, Okay. Okay, we don't have a mouse cursor anymore. That's pretty strange, to be honest. Please let this mouse cursor come back, like, please. I don't know what on earth is going on. This is taking forever. So, yeah. I mean, it's taking forever because it's a really old computer. But, yeah. Yeah, that makes, perfect sense. Like, press a key. Nope, the display driver just cooked on the VM. Anyways, it's still just a moment, so I'm gonna be back. Yes, it's finally done. I can't hear Cortana. I think the sound is still broken. Let's check. Oh my gosh, the sound. So, yeah, the sound doesn't work. That's great. I wonder if the microphone works. Maybe there is an internal speaker in here. So yeah. Okay, enough intro, let's begin. Okay, whatever. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna set this to United States. Even though I'm not in the United States. We're gonna set this to the US keyboard layout. Even though it's not even the US keyboard layout, I just don't care. Anyways, is there a rupees key on here or something? No, that's a dollar sign. No, because this laptop's from internet. I don't have internet, so because I want to create a local account and not a Microsoft account. Continue with limited setup, and we're going to create a new account. I'm just gonna call this Rootwick. Oh no, I forgot to copy over the Office 2007 installation. Oh god, it's fine. I'll just install a new one. Yeah, okay, we're gonna turn all this off. No, I accidentally accepted it. I swear I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry, everyone. Not now. So yeah, we're cooked. And it's fine. Windows 10 won't stay on here for that long anyway. I'm gonna install Windows 7 on here. Yeah. So yeah, don't worry about that. Just a moment, and we should be booting. There we go. Now we're in the high screen. Let's see if we can get the display's resolution a bit higher. And I'll be back. Okay, we're in. And no Microsoft Edge. So yeah, here's Windows 10. Yeah, let's run WinVer. It's now on 22H2, so let's run WinVer. Oh my gosh, it didn't even type in. That's insane. The keyboard is working though, I know. We're gonna run WinVer. Enter. Yeah, Windows 10. It's running Windows 10 22H2. Let's increase the display resolution. We're also not going to change like any of the settings after that because this thing won't be running on Windows 10 for long. So we're gonna stop that. We're gonna stop that. We're gonna change some settings actually because I don't want this to be boring. Ow. Oh my god. So we're going to... Can we not scroll down? What is going on? We cannot scroll down. So yeah, we apparently cannot scroll down. We need to use the scroll bars. That's how you know this is old. So right now it's 1024 by 768. Can we like go higher than that or no? No, the only thing that we can do is 1366 by 768. Let's see how that looks. That's actually good. We're gonna keep it at 13. We're gonna keep it at this. This is 1366 by 768. We're gonna keep it at 1366 by 768. But anyways, we're going to go into our personalization settings. So personalization settings. Oh my gosh, no, personalization settings. Oh right, I forgot you can't scroll down. Forgot about that. You have to use the goddamn scroll bars like some sort of idiot. Personalization. If I can find it, where is it? Personalization, right here. We're going to change the wallpaper to something that looks, you know, a bit better. You know, like this. There we go. We're going to change the colors to dark mode. That looks or it didn't apply. There we go, that looks better. So now we're also gonna change everything to red because we gotta change it up a little bit. You know, it's always on like green or whatever. Let's pick a random color actually. Okay, random color, here we go. Dun, dun, dun. And we are on yellow. This looks like pea. You know what, just because I want to make it even worse, I'm going to make it light yellow. Just like that. Beautiful. We're going to click done. And then we go, the accent color is now yellow. And now, if we scroll up, you can see now it's absolute yellow. We're going to make the window borders that, so yeah, we're going to also make the start bar. Why did I say start bar? What's a start bar? Anyways, there it is. We're going to, what? That apparently closed it. Oh wait, I pressed the space bar. We're going to press enter. And here we go. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I'm obviously going to be putting Windows 7 on it, like later. I don't know when, but later. But, yeah, we're going to be doing this. There's going to be fire. So, yeah, let's go and do that. So, thank you guys for watching this video. And I'll see you in the next video.